How to use fragments in Dark War. Now, in Dark War survival, fragments typically refer to the hero fragments you find in events, rewards, or those kinds of sorts. So, this will allow you to unlock or upgrade heroes. So, if you don't have the hero yet, then you can use those specific fragments to unlock the heroes. As you can see over here, if you have the specific hero fragments, you can use those to unlock the hero that it corresponds to. So again, unlocking new heroes. For this, you need specific number of fragments to recruit and unlock a hero, and the requirement varies per hero quality. And other than the specific hero fragments, if you have the universal ones, those are pretty much used only to upgrade the hero stars. So if you go ahead to a purple character over here, go to its skills or star up, you can see over here that you can also use the universal fragments to star up your character. So we're gonna star up this over here. It's gonna say you're gonna need versatile hero fragments since we don't have enough. So it's gonna automatically use the specific fragments first and then use the universal fragments for the ones that you don't have. So just confirm and you should immediately use those fragments for the hero that you want to upgrade or star up. But anyways, that's how you use fragments in Dark War. So hopefully the information in this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.